everyone, konnichiwa. Welcome to the 7th video of my channel, Otaku Nihongo.
ようこそ
Unlike in English, you need counters to count different things in Japanese. First, let's learn 2, which is the general counter. You can use this when you don't know the counters for everyday things that you find. To tell one thing, you say hitotsu. Hitotsu. To tell two things, you say futatsu. Futatsu. To tell three things, you say mitsu. Mitsu. To tell four things, you say yotsu. Yotsu. To tell five things, you say itsutsu. Itsutsu. To tell 6 things, you say mutsu. Mutsu. To tell 7 things, you say nanatsu. Nanatsu. To tell 8 things, you say yatsu. Yatsu. To tell 9 things, you say kokonotsu. Kokonotsu. It sounds a bit like coconuts. To tell 10 things, you say to. To. Now let's take an example. If you want to say if there are 2 cars, you can say kuruma ga futatsu arimasu. Kuruma ga futatsu arimasu. Kuruma is car and like futatsu is 2 and arimasu means there is. So kuruma ga futatsu arimasu means there are 2 cars. Now, let's learn how to count humans in Japanese. To count humans, the counter nin is used. Nin. The first 2 are irregular while all the others go in the same pattern. To tell one person, you say hitori. Hitori. To tell 2 people, you say futari. Futari. 3 people onwards is the same pattern. To tell 3 people, you say sannin. Sannin. Which is san, which is 3 plus nin. To tell 4 people, you say yonin. Yonin, which is 4 plus nin. To tell 5 people, you say gonin. Gonin, which is 5 plus nin. To tell 6 people, you say rokunin. Rokunin, which is 6 plus nin. To tell 7 people, you say nananin. Nananin, which is 7 plus nin. To tell 8 people, you say hachinin. Hachinin. To tell 9 people, you say kyunin. Kyunin, which is 9 plus nin. To tell 10 people, you say junin. Junin, which is ju plus nin. This continues all the way to the 100 or the numbers above. For example, if you want to say 100 people, you can say hakunin. It is just haku, which is 100 plus nin. Now, let's look at an example. If you want to say there are 5 people in the room, you have to say heya ni 5人がいます。部屋に5人がいます。部屋 means room and 5人 like I taught earlier means 5 people. います means there are. So to say there are 5 people in the room, you have to say 部屋に5人がいます。
次
Now, let's learn the counter mai. Mai. Mai is used for flat objects like papers, tickets, or t-shirts. The counter mai is very easy to use. You just combine it with the number. So to say 1, you say ichimai. And it goes from that way in the same pattern until 10. So 1 thing is ichimai, and then 2 is nimai, 3 is 3mai, 4 is 4mai, 5 is 5mai, 6 is 6mai, 7 is nanamai, 8 is hachimai, 9 is kyumai, and 10 is jumai. You can combine mai with any number. Now let's take an example. If you want to say I bought 2 tickets in Japanese, you have to say 私はチケットを3枚買いました。私はチケットを3枚買いました。私 means me, and like I said, 3枚 means 3, and ticket is ticket in Japanese, and 買いました means bought. So if you want to say I bought 3 tickets in Japanese, you have to say 私はチケットを3枚買いました。That's it for the first lesson of counters. If you want to learn more Japanese, make sure you subscribe. またね